사랑아, 나 또? 어? 사랑아, 나 또? 제가 이 강아지를 버리고 갔는데 지금 여기 오면 살도 패이고 머리를 지금 뜯어먹어서 여러 가지로 강아지가 이대로 놔두면 그냥 죽을 것 같아서 일단 밀크를 사러 갔습니다. 우유를. 제가 키울 수는 없는데 이거 이렇게 죽게 놔두기는 그러니까. 아이고. 네?
I want to say something.
오케이. 오케이. 테스트. 에이.
Okay.
What's happened?
Yeah. Yes. Okay, actually, it's very good.
오케이.
Let me tell you. Okay.
병도 있고 이러니까 그냥 여기 통나무는 그냥 놔둡니다. 놔두면 하루 이틀이면 죽겠죠. 제대로 이 녀석을 살리려면 동물병원 의사가 와서 봐야 될 것 같습니다. 많이 쉽게 생겼네.
I think he's afraid. So this morning I buy 2 milk for him. Look at it.
Now it's okay, huh?
Yeah.
With you, huh?
Yeah.
He likes it.
Yeah.
They're better, huh?
Okay.
Huh? He likes you.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yes.
She's full now, huh?
Yeah.
You fat, huh? Huh?
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
I feel it. I feel it this morning.
Okay. What about the wounds on top?
Only this one left to heal. Nah, worry.
It's okay.
The showing difference
Mm-hmm.
before and now.
Different.
Yeah.
Okay. Good job, huh? Happy? No. It's okay.
Happy.
You gotta castrate this dog, huh? If he survives.
Okay.
이렇게 그래도 잘 살아있네.
Look at this one. It's small.
There's one dog we didn't feed it.
Okay, in his mouth.
응? Good, huh? 아이고. 응?
Oh.
Let's go.
Yes.
Let me go sit.